It was a soft morning in the last days of Ramadan, with cool air and a quiet anticipation of Eid in every heart. Aisha sat inside her small mud house, reciting her tasbih, yet a gentle wave of worry lingered within her. She had little food and no means to celebrate Eid with her son Bilal. Innocently, Bilal asked, Ami, will we celebrate Eid too? Aisha smiled with hope and replied, Inshallah, Allah will make a way. Meanwhile, in the village mosque, people were reminded to give Fitrana before Eid so that the needy would not
This
feel
piece has
left
seen better
behind.
days.
Late at
But with
night,
some care,
someone
it'll be good as
silently
new.
placed a bag of food and some money at Aisha's doorstep. When she opened the door at dawn, tears of gratitude filled her eyes. She raised her hands and prayed, O Allah, reward the one who helped us. In that
My dear
moment,
boy.
Fitrana did
Grandma,
more
I
than
love you
provide
so
essentials.
much.
It
I love you
rekindled
too.
dignity, hope, and the
This is
true
coming along
spirit of
nicely.
Eid in a
It
struggling
smells so
heart.
sweet already.